of bad orders out here today. You know, it's lunchtime, it's Wednesday, so it's to be expected. But yeah, sometimes you just gotta decline all of those. And look, as I speak, we get an Uber. $8 for 4 miles, but it's all the way on the other side of town. No, sir, can't take that. So, you know, sometimes you gotta just decline. You know, once I go for Top Dash, it's gonna be really tough taking all that crap. But I'm gonna go ahead and work through it, do my 100 deliveries in a row. Man, that's why I'm making sure I make all my money now. So when the end of the month comes, I'm not even worried about it. Finally, we got a decent order, $9 for 5.6 miles. Let's go ahead and knock that out. $9 what was shown. $13.50. Let's go. That was a great order right there. Let's get it. This instruction. That's why it's important to know your zone right here. That's why I love the gig apps right there. Look at that. I had the apps on for 2 hours. I turned it on while I was at the crib. You hear me? I worked for 58 minutes, not even a full hour. Made 27 bucks. Man, I'm about to put some gas in my car and go buy some Freon, man. $6 what was shown, $6 is what we gonna get. $6.50 is a hidden tip indicator in my market. I know in some markets it's $6.25, $6.50 for me over here. Finally, we got a decent one. What's that? $6.50 for 1 mile at Walgreens? Yes, sir. I would do that all day. Let's get it. $6.50 what was shown, $7.50 what we got. Not bad. Look at this, $6 for 4 miles, right? And they want it delivered by 1:54, right? Now what if you gotta wait for 10-15 minutes, right? It's 1:28, so that means that this has already been declined a couple times. See, I'm trying to teach y'all new people. That's what you got to realize. Now this ain't a bad order, but no, I need something there where they, you know, appreciate my time. There ain't no good tip on that. Look at this, even Uber Eats wants some action. You got $3.70 for 4.1 miles. Is that the same damn order? Man, quit playing with me. No. Oh yeah, we over here by Chick-fil-A now. You know we're gonna get a whole bunch of orders to decline now. Yeah, how I know? Chick-fil-A, $4.50, 5.4 miles. No sir, straight to the trash can for that one. Get out of here. Something else. Tell them it's something else. Look at that, $9 for 8.9 miles. No sir, that is too damn far. Yes sir, we got another trash order, $7 for 6 miles, 2 items. No hidden tip on that one, y'all. That's all base pay. Get out of here.